Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. Today I have Smashy Mashies. These have got some nice goo in them, which is the reason why there is a towel there. When I rip these open, I don't know what sort of mess they're going to produce. But you've got to smash the capsule. There's a mystery buddy compare inside. Collector's poster and word search, a secret decoder, a sticker, and a smashy creature. Let me see if I can get that focused for you. There we go. So what will you find inside? There you go. So these are Smashy Mashies. I have 6. So let's see what mess I'm going to make. Get on with the first one. These are actually hard plastic, so hopefully these have a pull bit, which they do not. So it looks like time for some scissors. And scissors. Let's go to a different one and see if we can't cut the bottom of the plastic. There we go. So all it needs is a little tiny cut, and there we go. So I'm thinking this is going to make one hell of a mess. So there we go. Now the wrapper's off, you can see the little container all with goo. So is this going to unscrew, or are we going to have to break you? Let's have a look. No, very fortunately, look, you don't have to smash. They just unscrew. So I put all this down for nothing. It's good though, because it means it won't leak too much. There we go. And a sticker. This is our decoder, as you can see. We have our sticker, Sasquatch. We have our top secret. Let's put that back a bit so you can see. Top secret, we have Mystic Cat, Unipug, T-Rox, Sasquatch and Fizz, Sneaks the Alien, and Cheezer, and Laid Back Llama and Crisp. With T-Rox you got Cheddy, with Mystery Cat you got Saga, and for Pug you got T-Bone. Each one of them has a little creature with them, with their own names. And on the back, you probably can see that, it says, Start Depart, help Sasquatch find his buddy. So, there we go. So if I put this up to the lens, which is there, now you can see your way through. That's very cool. And you can follow the line. So it goes from that to that. Cool decoder. And all you got to do is follow the line from one side to the other. The answer is at the bottom as well. So I will not be doing that. So I say I can go my niece and nephew, they can do that. So in here we have our very squishy. It's another squishy. It's a Smashy Mashy, as it says here. We will get our scissors, cut the top. And you already know who's in here because it told me on the sticker. And there we go, our Sasquatch, and he is squishy. Very, very squishy. There we go. So Smashy 2018. See if we can't get that to focus for you. There you go. Very squishy. So this must be his buddy. There we go. Very dented, very charred, but also very squishy. So squeeze, and back he comes. So that one is our Sasquatch and Fizz. Sasquatch, and this is Fizz. So what we'll do, we'll put them at the back on top of the sticker, and as these don't leak, we will then put them on here so they're out of the way. We can then put everything we don't use back into there. As you can see, just sits at the bottom. It's just got goo. These can be reused. Hard plastic, very good. So we'll screw that up, and we'll use them for a bit of storage. So as that is not going to cause me an issue, what I will do is I will lean you up, and we'll get a better view. There we go. On to the next. Really would like the pug, but we'll see what we get. They don't need to open it all the way, just need to unscrew it. There we go. Ah, we've got the same again. The sticker in here tells me we've got another Sasquatch. But Sasquatch, and that's another Fizzy. Yes, that is a Sasquatch, and that is a Fizzy. So we'll put you back in there with that. We will then screw that back up, and that one my nephew can have. Let him have some fun with that one. On to the next. This is the thing about mysteries. You can buy 20 of them, and all 20 can be exactly the same. It's part of the fun of actually doing the mysteries. I'm trying at the moment to try and get some mystery boxes. I will try and get some mystery food as well. I do like a mystery food. If you'd like to see mystery food from somewhere, please comment down below. I'm always trying and get some. At the moment, I've got some on order from Japan. Some Japan mystery sweets, or mystery. Oh, don't need. What am I doing? Doing that. All I have to do is unscrew the bottom, don't I? So this one, we'll put that way. There is that. This one, oh, there it is. This one feels different. This one's a lot smaller. So let's see. All of them have the same little top secret. All of them have that. And all of them have the same on the back. So they're all the same. And they all come with little magnifying glass in there. This is telling me what it is, but I'm not going to show you. Comment down below which one you think it is. We have the pug. A squishy pug. Slowly coming back. Very squishy. So this one is the Unipug. And the Unipug's little friend is the T-bone steak. These are very, very squishy. I say, they're fantastically squishy. I've got some more squishies coming up soon. I've got a mystery box of squishies, which will be in a video coming up very shortly, so keep your eyes out for that one. So that's 3 down. So we have a Sasquatch, a Unipug, a duplicate, which is this one here. Let's put the duplicate up there, and that one's just the empty container, same as this one. So let's get, that's my duplicate. So these are our 3 next ones. So you put all this down thinking you've got to smash the side of it to get it open, and you just have to unscrew it. You can smash them if you want to, but it saves mess. Why put all the mess everywhere? We don't have to. So unscrew it. Oh, I've just seen in there, it's another Unipug. So that is the same as we got last time. There you go, you can hear it when I put it in. That's how squishy they are. Put them in my microphone so you can hear the air coming out. So that's another pug. So out of the 6, we're not doing very good today. We've got 2 Sasquatch and 2 pug, but they are all squishies, so I'm very happy. I do like a good squishy. This one has leaked. You can feel it. You can feel this one's cracked just there, look. It's cracked and it's leaked everywhere. But that's not a problem. We have another Sasquatch. That's not good. So what I will do is, as this one is broken and leaking, I will put that together. And before I give that to my niece or nephew, I will exchange that one for one of my others. So I'm on my last one now, unfortunately. As I say, this is part and parcel of actually having the mysteries. If you can hear a bell behind me, that is my cat. That is Sky, who is asleep on one of the boilers behind me. So let's see what we got in this one. See what the mystery is this time. And we have another Sasquatch. So, unfortunately, this is going to be a rather shorter video because everything I got was a duplicate, I'm afraid. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen, I had to run off then. If you heard a little bang in the background, unfortunately, my cat Sky is epileptic. And unfortunately started having a fit, so I just had to take care of her. So let's get back to this video. So yeah, unfortunately, I've got all the same. All I've got is Sasquatch and Unipug. So it's the luck of the draw, but I still do like Smashy Mashies. They are so soft, so they are not going to waste. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. What would you like to see me get as a mystery box? Would you like food or toys? I'm going to try and go out into a few more things. So apart from that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.